know it's for an iPad. Why he moved now? What's it for? Like a T-shirt? No, it's for the iPad. Oh, okay. Okay, you can do.
Range equation.
What?
The range
Well,
equation.
he says there's drag on this thing. So if there's drag, then there's no fault for you now. You know, just there you go. So oh, you're so close, Katrina. Just a little bit more on one of them.
I know which one.
Now 45 is your maximum range.
45, you're
but boy, a little bit more speed. You think? Boy, how much?
Yeah, all right. I don't know.
Well, how big's the hole? That's what we need.
Yeah, I can roll it all.
It will not. Put back spin on.
No, there's nothing rolling on this thing.
What do you want?
Oh no.
What's my max?
I think it's 100.
Let's go to 80.
70
Good luck, sweetie.
Oh, stop it. You are making me nervous now.
Ready?
Do I want to change my angle or am I good?
No, you're good. Keep the angle.
Okay, we're good. All right.
Oh, sweetie. Oh. The FDR look. Let's hear it. Let's hear the symphony. Flutes in the back. What do we got? They're turning. There she goes. The Pied Piper. Don't you feel like Tom Edison?
Totally. That was exactly what I was thinking.
Invented something 100.
Literally banging your head against the wall. It's like stirring a drink.
It's all in the wrist. That's
Yeah.
right. It's all in the wrist.
Not a good sign. Please, I'm on the 5th floor. I probably don't want in this elevator because it's not working. Ow. Come on. Oh, okay, I'm gonna find a different elevator because I'm way up high. Woo. That's all focus. There we go, I can focus. Pretty cool though. I think I can jump down. Okay, I found a different elevator, luckily. And that's neat. Okay, I need to move on to my next talk. It's too
It's up to you. If you want someone else to explain, it's up to you.
I talked to my cohorts and said that
499.
they're in bigger need of this.
499. 307. Thanks for your patience. I appreciate it. 308. 327. You see a lot of people set up. 328. 333.
It's blackout bingo.
379.
10 the last 10.
334. 378. 377. 375. 374, 397,
I know.
417, 420, 421, 430, 368, 432, 431, 429. What a stretch. It's 310, 400, 404, 341,
Yes.
341. Turbine?
Winner.